Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Gilbert seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, vinyl windows, and replacement doors, Gilbert window installation services offer tailored solutions to meet every need. Whether you're interested in custom windows or need window installation, Gilbert has expert window contractors ready to assist. Energy-efficient windows in Gilbert are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows Gilbert residents prefer are particularly effective, providing an extra layer of insulation that enhances energy efficiency when paired with replacement doors. Gilbert. For those in need of window installation Gilbert services, there are numerous options available to address issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty hardware. Window glass replacement and window frame installation are common services offered by window contractors in Gilbert, ensuring that your windows remain functional and secure. These services are often complemented by upgrades with replacement doors. Gilbert for full home efficiency. Vinyl windows Gilbert are a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners seeking a cost-effective solution. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them a popular choice for window upgrades in Gilbert. With a variety of window styles available, including sliding windows, bay windows, and casement windows, Gilbert residents can find the perfect fit for their home along with replacement doors. Gilbert for added value. Custom windows Gilbert services offer personalized solutions for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their property. Whether you're interested in specific window measurements or unique window styles, Gilbert window contractors can create custom designs that meet your exact specifications. Window hardware and window screens can also be customized, just like replacement doors. Gilbert, to enhance functionality and security. Window sealing Gilbert is an essential service for maintaining the energy efficiency of your windows. Proper window caulking and window weatherproofing can prevent drafts and reduce energy loss, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. Window insulation Gilbert services can further enhance performance, and replacement doors Gilbert can provide the same benefits for your entryways. Window tinting Gilbert is a popular option for homeowners looking to reduce glare and protect their interiors from UV damage. This service can also enhance privacy and security, making it a valuable addition to any window upgrade. Window glazing Gilbert services can further improve energy efficiency and appeal, and pairing them with replacement doors Gilbert creates a cohesive look. Window maintenance Gilbert is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular inspections and installations can prevent costly damage and extend the life of your windows. Window contractors Gilbert offer comprehensive maintenance services, including window cleaning, hardware adjustments, and screen replacements, as well as updates with replacement doors. Gilbert. Window upgrades Gilbert can significantly enhance the value and comfort of your home. Whether you're interested in replacing outdated windows or adding new features, such as window security systems, Gilbert window installation services can provide the expertise and products you need. These upgrades, combined with replacement doors Gilbert, ensure improved performance and long-lasting style. For top-notch window installation in Gilbert, look no further than our expert window contractors. Specializing in energy-efficient windows, we offer a wide range of options including double-pane windows, vinyl windows, and custom windows. Our Gilbert window installation services ensure that your home is equipped with the best window styles and window hardware available. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame installation, or replacement doors Gilbert, our team is ready to assist with all your needs. Upgrade your home with our residential window replacement Gilbert services. We provide high-quality sliding windows, bay windows, and casement windows to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Our window upgrades in Gilbert are designed to improve energy efficiency and security. With precise window measurements and expert window sealing, we ensure a perfect fit and finish for every installation, including replacement doors. Gilbert Window Installation. Gilbert services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team specializes in window caulking, window weatherproofing, and window insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round. We also offer window maintenance. Gilbert services to keep your windows in top condition and provide replacement doors. Gilbert for complete upgrades. For those seeking replacement doors. Gilbert, we provide a comprehensive selection of styles and materials to complement your windows. Our energy-efficient windows. Gilbert and replacement doors are designed to reduce energy costs and enhance curb appeal. Trust our window contractors. Gilbert to deliver exceptional service and quality products for all your window and door needs. Enhance your home's security with our window security. Gilbert Solutions. We offer window tinting, window screens, and window glazing to protect your home from the elements and potential intruders. Our window styles. Gilbert are customizable to fit any design preference, and adding replacement doors. Gilbert ensures your home looks great while staying secure. Window sealing. Gilbert and window caulking. Gilbert are crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window insulation. Gilbert services help maintain a comfortable indoor environment, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. With our window weatherproofing. Gilbert Solutions and replacement doors. Gilbert, your home will be protected from harsh weather conditions. Choose our window contractors. Gilbert for all your window glass replacement and window frame installation needs. We provide expert window maintenance. Gilbert services to ensure your windows remain in excellent condition. Our window upgrades. Gilbert options include the latest in window technology, offering improved performance and style alongside replacement doors. Gilbert. For custom windows. Gilbert, our team offers personalized solutions to meet your specific requirements. From window measurements. Gilbert to window hardware. Gilbert, we ensure every detail is tailored to your needs. Our window screens. Gilbert and window tinting. Gilbert options provide additional comfort and privacy for your home, while replacement doors. Gilbert complete the look. Trust our Gilbert window installation services for all your window and door projects. We are committed to delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Whether you need window installation. Gilbert or replacement doors. Gilbert, our team is here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our energy-efficient windows. Gilbert and other services.